and beyond destruction. You heard it or didn't hear it. Maybe you heard it, just not sure if you heard it. And beyond destruction. You heard a sound. Kinda sounded like sounds you've heard before, but kinda not like that either. In your bed, was it in my head or for real? A dream? And beyond destruction. All these noises destroying my sleep. Wood banging against my bedroom wall. What I didn't know at all was about the real fall. Oh my God, it is fall. So I got up in the morning, walked outside, and I couldn't believe my eyes. Talk about destruction. I think I heard it, that's I'm beyond destruction.